We got the same bike. He's got the same exact bike as me, bro. I kind of want to hear what his sounds like. He has a different exhaust on his. I don't know if this thing's fucking... It's probably dead, bro. Oh no, it's not dead. Nice. This is the best sounding 400 ever, bro. There he goes. It does not sound as good as my bike, but mine's also just stupid fucking loud. I mean, just listen to my bike, bro. Want to downshift on it? Sounds so good, dude. I don't know if it's muffled for you guys or not. Probably is, because my visor. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Mine's better, bro, for sure. What? I don't know what he said. He's got the same exact bike as me though. But mine sounds way better. Shout out to eBay, not Acura, I suppose. Alright, time for us to turn around. Fucking in the thick of it now, traffic. I don't like this shit. I don't like traffic.